All right, y'all. So the next thing that I'll do is I'll show y'all how to create this CAD block real quick, if you want me to. We'll do it using the primitive forms. That's the easiest way to do it. But you are going to need the dimensions that are located right here. So, if we look at our dimensions, we've got the block set, and this is it. It is a 1 by 1 by 2.25 block. Y'all, what's important is to create and pick the best front view for this. So remember, the front view, y'all, is what shows the most natural and stable position. And that's the view that's going to tell y'all what it really looks like. So I would say this is the front view. This view is 2.25 by 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here to the Create tab. We've got our units in inches. I'm going to create a new component. All right, this new component is telling me, hey, this is its own individual thing. I'm going to name it Arch Block. Now in Arch Block, I'm going to create a box. And I'm going to start the box in the front view plane. This is the ZX axis. I want to place the first corner at the origin. And I'm just going to start with the size. So this block needs to be, and if you notice that we've got it highlighted, it needs to be 1 tall. I hit the tab to swap, and it needs to be 2.25 wide. We choose the depth after that. The depth needs to be 1 inch. The next thing that you need to do is create a cylinder. Now, check this out. The cylinder, if I swap to the front view using the view cube and I zoom in, Fusion 360 will automatically highlight important parts, but we got to tell it where we want to start the drawing. So I want to start the drawing directly on top of the arch block. Notice that the next thing it says is to place the center point. Fusion will find center points for us. Right here, that triangle with the X is our center point. I now tell the diameter of our circle. And if I check, I see that it says a 0.75 radius, which means a 1.5 diameter. Finally, instead of join, we want to do a cut. And we want the cut through the entire object. Once you hit OK, that should make an arch construction block the right size.